Hello and welcome back to Green Money Momentum. I'm your host, Trevor, and we are here for another daily talk of stock. And the overall market's pumped really green today, as well as one of our favorite plays, DJT. So currently, as I am recording this video, just an hour after the markets have closed, the stock is up 8%, and we had a massive green candlestick to finish the day. This is off some pretty positive news regarding DJT and crypto, and the overall market's pumped green from the positive news about tariffs. And so it looks like the fear, uncertainty, and doubt around tariffs is finally starting to cool down. And the markets in general this year have been bleeding a lot because of the three-headed dragon of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And so that is inflation, interest rates, and then tariffs. And so with all the news of tariffs these last couple of months, a lot of investors have been calling for a full blown out recession. But I have been saying that each set of tariffs, that these are just negotiating tactics. And well, each time I have been right on that. So each time with the tariffs, it has only improved our situation. So initially, the tariffs were set to start in January, then February, and both times we saw those tariffs get tailored back, and the tariffs weren't as extreme as expected. So a lot of these tariffs were delayed, and overall, nothing really happened except for the improvement at our border for both the Mexican and Canadian side of the borders. And it looks like we are back into that same place as the next set of tariffs that were causing a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt were supposed to start in April. But over the weekend, Bloomberg and the Wall Street Journal reported that instead of having the hefty tariffs that were supposed to come, we got a reduced batch of tariffs that will be announced next week. And to follow that, today, Trump also did say that he may be giving a lot of country breaks. And this is just the continued plan to make America wealthy again. And so these tariffs, the whole reason behind them is because we want to bring companies back to America. We want to bring manufacturing and jobs back to America. And that is exactly what is happening. As again, today, we had another big investment, this time with Hyundai. So they're going to invest $20 billion in U.S. manufacturing, and they're going to bring a plant out to Louisiana. And this has happened with each set of tariffs. So if you have been following the storyline and not just the fear, uncertainty, and doubt that some have been putting into the markets, but the actual storyline of what has been happening, you could see month after month that the economy is getting better, and more Fortune 500 companies, huge companies, are investing into the manufacturing with the United States. So last month, we had a $500 billion commitment from Apple, where they are talking about bringing more manufacturing to the United States. Places such as where I'm at in Arizona. And then the month before that, we had the $500 billion announcement with the investment from Oracle, OpenAI, and SoftBank. And that is also manufacturing out here in the United States. And so if you have been following this storyline here and not just following the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, you could see that in the background, there is a lot of investment in the United States, and it looks like things should start to only get better over the next couple of years. And so that is just all about the overall economy. Now let's talk about our favorite stock, DJT. And wow, what a pump we are seeing right now. That is crazy. I started this video talking about being up 7%. Now we're up 12%. And so, wow, just today, this is an insane pump. But let's zoom out here and look at the last chart for DJT. This is very positive, as this is bringing us right back to the support and resistance levels that we have been talking about with DJT for a long time. And so you see I have these two lines drawn out here, and this is just to show the major support that is in DJT. And so over the last year, we could see that this stock has tapped this spot multiple times on the chart. And the only time we went below it was when we had the retraction right before the elections, and then currently right now, where I have been calling for us to be in the oversold territory. So I've been saying that recently. This is a great spot to buy DJT, as we look very oversold on both the chart. We're under those major support lines. We're oversold on the MACD. And then we can also see that we are pretty low on the RSI. And the reason why this stock is pumping is because Trump has announced that Trump Media has announced their intention to partner with crypto.com to announce the crypto ETFs. And so if you've been following the storyline with DJT, you know that they are trying to bring us more into the age of not just truth, but also into cryptocurrency as well, the mass adoption into cryptocurrency. And so Trump Media is not just a media company, but they also did make a big investment with Charles Schwab worth $250 million. And then they have also been talking about these crypto ETFs. So just the news that they're intending to partner with crypto.com to launch these ETFs has sent this stock up massively. And so this is a big pump with DJT. And this isn't the only thing that we have seen big with DJT recently, but we also did see that they are also expanding their Truth platform. So not just their crypto services, but also their Truth platform as well, as we did just see them announce their partnership and the fact that they are going to have an app on Roku just this last week, which is a positive, as this is going to bring more users to Truth Social and is also going to bring more advertisers to Truth Social as well. So overall, the intrinsic value behind DJT is growing, and it's events like this in the background that are pushing this stock's value up higher and higher at a time where many investors are missing this opportunity. As we know with DJT, some just look at this as a meme stock. And well, right now, if you are investing into DJT, I do believe that you are investing into an opportunity that many will miss. And so when we just look at the Reddit mentions for DJT, we could see that we are at a low for mentions. And the reason why I bring this up is because when a stock gets thrown into a meme category, that is when you could see the biggest pumps. And so you better bet later on sometime this year, there should be some big event or something that happens regarding Trump that may bring that meme money back into this play. With the way the markets have been retracting lately, and then all the negative feelings around tariffs, Donald J. Trump and Elon Musk haven't been the most popular guys right now. And so recently, it seems like the overall opinion has been more bearish than bullish. There has been a lot more hate regarding this presidency than love lately. So a lot of the negative news has been getting out and pouring into the public. And so because of this, these stocks may have not gained as much momentum as they potentially could. And so that is why I have been investing into DJT in the background, and why I believe that we are at such a good support for DJT. But I would be curious to hear what everyone else has to say about this, what you think about this recent crypto investment, what you think about them being on the Roku platform, and just your overall opinion of DJT. So please drop a comment down in the section below. Please leave a like, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.